Hello, everybody, and today I'm going to try to make as much money as I can with just a 50 million coin purse in 5 minutes. So I'm just gonna get right started. So I'm gonna auction flip, of course. If you know me, that's literally my favorite money making method. And basically, how much the timer is? I have Bad Lion. We're gonna pull up the stopwatch. Uh, okay. No, this is. Stopwatch, as you can see here. And as soon as I turn this on, it's gonna start. As soon as I see it hit 300 seconds, I'm gonna stop flipping. So 3, 2, 1. Okay, I'm starting. Okay, so let's look. I have to be really quick about this. Oh, this is not good. There's no good flips on paper liver dagger. That's not good. Oh, recombobulated. 6 mil. Nope, this is not good. I was expecting a liver dagger flip. Oh wait, this is a flip. Uh, oh, this is opening. I know. I'm most likely gonna be releasing this video after all of the items I flipped sold, so that there's no like question about the legitimacy of my profit. This is like 1.6 mil profit. We're down to 30 million coins already, but I've already gotten like I think like yeah like 2 million coins of profit. Uh, let's look. Not sure status flip. Pretty sure this is a flip. Yeah, this is definitely a flip. 15 mil, 16.5 mil. Okay, so I made another like almost 1 million coin profit. Okay, I'm running out of time. I mean, I'm halfway there only actually, but I am running out of money. Did I see last stand 5? No, last stand 4 isn't really worth anything. That's complete last stand 5. Wait, that's 4 star, 5 star, 5 star. This one's 5 star right now. Phoenix 69. Oh, textbook. Yeah. 14 mil. This one for slightly longer to wait for prices to go up. Oh, I only have 11 million coins left. That is not good. 11 million coins. Maybe superior. I should have managed my flips better. Oh, this lag. Uh, and lag is definitely not helping. Oh, great. No flips here. No flips here. Okay. One more minute. Some decombobulated at 50 minutes. Gotta do this faster. Wait, no, not here either. Second now. It's 30 more seconds. You know what? I saw a lot of personal compactor flip earlier. I'm taking that. Up. Oh my. Okay, well, time's up. Now let's track the profit that I made. So personal compactor I bought for 10 million coins after auction fee. That's about 1.3 million coins. Phoenix Pet I bought for 3.8 million coins after auction fees. 3.9, 1.5, 1.5 plus 1.3. That's 2.8 million coins. This another 1.2 million coins profit. 1.2. Oh, where was I again? 1.5. I mean 1.3 plus 1.5. 2.8, 2.8 plus 1.5, I mean 1.3, 4.1, 4.1 plus, how much was this? 600k profit, about 600k, 4.8, 4.8. And this, uh, bought for 11 million coins, that's 4.8 plus, 1.6, 6.4 million coins profit. So guys, in this video, in 5 minutes, I made 6.4 million coins off a 50 million coin purse. This is just how insanely overpowered auction flipping is. If you don't currently auction flip, watch my videos on it. I have 2 videos about how to auction flip. But yeah, auction flipping is super broken. So that's it for this video, guys, and see you next time.